Making a living or making a dying? Which one are you really doing? That's a question that hit me right between the eyes when I read Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book isn't just about budgeting or pinching pennies. It's about transforming how you see, earn, spend, and most importantly, value your money. So, what's this book actually about? In a nutshell, it's a roadmap for anyone who's ever felt stuck on the hamster wheel of work, spending, and more work, chasing a version of success that doesn't always deliver real happiness. The authors lay out 9 steps to help you break free, rethink your relationship with money, and aim for financial independence. Not just the freedom to buy things, but the freedom to live. Here are 3 big ideas that stood out to me. First, money equals life energy. Ever thought about what you're really trading for your paycheck? It's not just hours at the office or time on your feet. It's precious, finite life energy. Every dollar you spend is a slice of your life you'll never get back. For example, if you buy a new phone for $800 and you earn $20 an hour, that's 40 hours of your life, an entire week of your energy just for that one purchase. When you start seeing money this way, every transaction feels a lot more real. Second, the fulfillment curve. We're told more is better. But is it really? The book lays out this brilliant idea. At first, spending money improves your life. Food on the table, a safe place to live, a few comforts, but there's a point, enough, where more spending stops bringing happiness and starts creating clutter, stress, and even dissatisfaction. So the challenge is to figure out what enough looks like for you, not for your neighbor, not for Instagram, for you. Third, the 3 questions. The book suggests you ask yourself 3 simple questions whenever you're about to spend one. Did I receive fulfillment and value in proportion to the life energy spent? 2, is this in line spending just falls away? Why does this matter? Because most of us spend a huge chunk of our lives working for money, but forget to ask if that money is actually buying us the life we want. This book invites you to slow down, get intentional, and take back control, so your money serves you, not the other way around. So, next time you're making a purchase, or even just thinking about your job, remember, you're not just trading dollars, you're trading your life. What's it really worth to you? If this got you thinking, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about what enough means for you. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.